What is up, YouTube? Today I have a video on the portable barber station. I've been saving it for a minute now. Also, the merch, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. Make sure to go check it out. Let's get it. Yo, check it. The best barber case you ever had. Oh, snap. Damn. Okay, this is heavy right here, boys. Alright, well, hopefully you guys can see it. Damn. This thing is heavy, like. So we didn't read the instructions, but I'm pretty sure you press these, right? You have a. Whoa, 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 whoa. Relax. Let's move this out of the way. I think these are the legs. Well, let's put these on. Okay, so it'll manage with 3 legs, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna raise it up. So they do give you a power cable that you could connect right here, which I'm assuming is for the speakers. I'm actually curious how that's gonna sound. Shoot, okay, so I think the coolest thing so far is the combos. Like, you could set your combo to open it up, and bam. Okay, so before your boy goes in for the setup, I really want to try the speakers because I'm all about the music. Plug it in real quick. Let's see what's up. You already know we have to go with that Drake. Yo! What? So, this thing right here pops out. Yo, this is not bad at all. I really like the red. This is crazy. I love red. Oh, snaps. It don't fit. Nice and secure, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna put this down. Whoa, it actually fits. That's crazy. So overall, I wanna say it's a clean looking case, and honestly, it has hella space for anything. Easy to access, easy to open.
I'm urging all daughters to kiss their mothers with those lips.
Could use better speakers, but that's about it, to be honest. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.